Hello everyone, my name is Angelica and welcome to my channel. I hope you are all doing great. So today I'm coming to you with another Valentine's Day related video. This time I will be creating super cute and budget-friendly home decorations. Honestly, I never thought about decorating my home for Valentine's Day, but I spend most of my time at home now, so why not add some cute details and just celebrate this day? And also it gives me opportunity to do more projects. So there will be 3 different ideas, all in kind of different style as well, and to be honest, they are something that you can keep out all year round, not only for Valentine's Day. So I hope you're gonna like them, and without further ado, let's jump right into the first project. For the base for my love sign, I'm using some cardboard. It's not super thick, but it can't be too thin and flimsy. I start with drawing my letters. Of course, the size depends on you. You can make them as big as you want. Mine are about 16 centimeters high and 10 centimeters wide. I also make sure that each letter got the same kind of thickness, which in my case is 2.5 centimeters. Then using sharp knife, I cut the letters out. I had to put something on my worktop to protect it from the cuts. You can use scissors, but with the knife is much easier. All letters are cut out. Now I'm taking my paper tissues in pink color. I've thought pink would look nice for Valentine's Day. You can of course customize it and choose whichever color you like. I start cutting out squares from the paper tissues, about 5 cm by 5 cm. Bigger you cut them, then higher they will stick out. I'm going to use Mod Podge to attach the paper to my cardboard. You can use any like a school glue or white glue. I take a brush and cover a small part of my cardboard with the glue, quite generous amount. Then I take one paper square and my pencil. It can be any pointy item, just not too sharp at the end. I wrap the piece of paper around the pen. It doesn't have to be perfect. Then glue down the center of the tissue to the cardboard. I start from the edges. Take another piece, wrap it and glue just next to the previous one. Keep going till you cover the whole letter. You just have to see how often you have to glue the tissues next to each other. You don't want to see any cardboard, but you also don't want it to look too full and messy. It's a very easy project, quite time consuming, but you can watch YouTube or telly while doing it. And of course, the time depends on size of your letters. I think it's really great idea for decoration. You can create something similar for birthday party with the name or for the wedding. As I said before, I would probably change the color of the tissues for more neutral colors, but I'm still happy how it turned out. You can hang it on the wall or just rest against something. For my next super easy and quick decoration, I'm using photo frame which I bought in Poland. I remove the back of it and take the piece of paper with the right measurements. I've got this watercolor pad, but you can use any kind of paper. I take the piece of paper I've removed from my frame and place it on the top of my other paper. I just mark the exact size so it will fit nicely inside the frame. Using ruler and pencil, I mark the straight and equal spaces for my writing. If you are good at writing in straight lines, you don't have to do it. I know myself that it would look so uneven and ugly if I want to make the helping lines. And I do it with pencil, so it will be easy to remove it later. I will need 5 equal sections with about 1 cm gap between them. Then I start writing down the alphabet. You can choose your favorite font. I basically got my computer open in front of me and I just copy one of the fonts. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not the best when it comes to calligraphy. Then I use a red Sharpie to write the letter I, the heart shape and letter U. That's why it's important to separate the alphabet in this way. And then using black Sharpie, I trace all the other letters. With the eraser, I remove the pencil marks. Place it inside and it's all ready. Super easy and quick to make, saving you money on buying expensive prints, and again you can customize it if you want by making it bigger or smaller and using your favorite font. For my last and favorite project, I'm going to use canvas board. I've also mixed some brown paint with the water to achieve more like a watercolor effect. I start covering my canvas with this paint. I actually seen this idea, but it was used on the piece of wood. I don't have any spare wood around, so I thought I'm just going to paint it brown and try to achieve like a wood effect. So I make some places darker and some lighter using more water. After it dried out, I created the design using pencil. It will help me to trace it with the cord. This is this really popular recently technique of creating pictures, especially faces, using only one line. So I drawn two faces together without lifting the pencil from the canvas. I'm using quite thick macrame cord to create this design. I take my glue gun and glue small parts at a time. I try to create thin layers of the glue so it won't come out from under the rock. I really like the contrast colors of beige cord and brown background. If the two cords are crossing each other, I sometimes just glue one on the top of the other one, or I make a little gap and put the cord through it. So at the beginning, I just really calculated how much of cord I need. It's much easier to work with the single cord instead of moving whole ball of cord around. I really like this artwork. It's a piece you can always have on your wall, not only for Valentine's Day. I like its minimalistic look and the vibe it brings to your room. I'm really happy how they all turned out, and they were also so cheap to create. I think my favorite one is this one line picture, but I also really like the love sign made out of paper tissue. I just can imagine having like a really big sign for birthday with the name or the age, like a wedding or kids room. I think it's great decoration. So if you like this video and this project, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. And also if you like the Valentine's Day content, I created another video with some Valentine's Day gift ideas, so I will leave the link to that video in my description box. And for now, thank you so much for watching and your support, and I will see you in my next video.